They say that for inside Enugu state, the Fulani don't enter inside one house. So, you know wetin these people go carry? They carry food, though, carry garri, carry beans, carry everything, and come still carry small cash wey the people get for there. As they comot, na the Biafra Liberation Army security wey dey for that area go meet them for inside bush. Na so they carry am one on one, and they come collect everything wey they carry for that house, come return for the people wey get am, as they show us for this video, which we go play you make you watch. However, my people, before we go jump inside the video, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We see they here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My people, before we jump inside this matter, I want use this opportunity to tell the governor of Abia State, wey be Alex Oti, one thing wey he need to know. You know, I would get information say that highway Taiwan, some investors from there, they come one particular village, say they want buy the area, say they want invest for that place. My people, this is a time to wake up, because when good things are coming, no be everything where they come say they be good, and then them be good though. Remember, say some of these people get wetin fit tell them the places where our mineral resources dey for our land, and na that place they go target to buy. The government need to wake up, and those people wey call themselves government to Igbe chief, where they say before you sell your land to any foreign investors, please make sure say una carry expertise come all over the world, make dem investigate that land, whether any vital mineral resources dey for inside that land. Because person wey build company for your place, if you no get access to enter inside that company, and you no know wetin they dey collect for inside that land, this information go to Abia State, because most of these people, they know where your mineral resources dey, which you don't know, and they can come and buy the land in name of bringing a company they may not finish building for decades. However, let's jump into the matter where carry us come for here today. So the information don't pass now for you to share the video. They say that the Biafra Liberation Army don't serve one family for inside Enugu state. I will show you the video as they take talk. May you watch before we come back and continue.
So unya bosade biemu no le bem lendega moja
Saturday March
lendega
second
for the March anom lendega moja. So mamu le shindash, okay, mam le shindash obun ole shindash, so anya maguke eji bia wakpa anyi le ban lendega obun
kende wakporo again
anya makwendo ndo mala obu ndoji,
okay,
ndoji egberi,
okay.
So mgbe anyị bịara e chere anyị ndị ego anyị chere nkwegego anyị nwere echi ndị anyị nwere ihe amufu anyị nọ le ndị gamofi ihe amufu,
okay, na Enugu state
list ụzọ local government,
okay,
so bịa jụda anyị si anyị chipe nri mma m shiburu pata ile kpokoro ile dị lebe anyị wo umegbe m ji achụ nta o patara mmanụ na ewetara egbe m ji achụ nta, wetekwa ụgbọ adịla ngoro ọfụ, so mmanụ patara mmanụ nri anyị na-emetegbu n'ime ọbịa ha anyị nọ kpokotere ile ma eku mma ma eku nke m, nso ma eku bụ ekpotegburu eku kpotegburu ma eku mma nara m ya wetara n'ime ọta ahụ 50,000 nakwa natakwa nwene m nwoke 20,000 naira nke, so bịa fukoro everything for mana anyị nọzi n'ụtụtụ patakwara isi mma,
okay, ka the rice,
nke a bụ rice,
okay,
so mmanụ ude mma m letegwe niile bee kpotekwe enwe ihe dịla ebe anyị banye kwakọrọ. So anyị nọzi n'obodo akazi gaje ihe merụ anyị amaghị ndị bịara be anyị, so ndị Biafra Army n'ụlọ ime ọbịa wee duru ndụ wee kpụrụ ngwongwo kpofutere anyị si anyị lekede ha n'onwere ndị ebeba zutela ime ọbịa ka na ya nọ kpụrụ ngwongwo nu kpofutere anyị, so ya ga nje no nwekwego ya ga anyị kọfa ihe anya ekpo anya maka onwege onye danyị.
Okay. All hail Biafrans.
Mgbe e bịakwara ihe ọ bụ na ya kere mụ na ụmụ nwoke na-abụ egbu kpara ya dọbala alụ so medezi ya mekpoze ya wee fụzi.
Okay. Okay. All hail Biafrans. This is a Biafra Liberation Army. We recover these items stole from this man. What is your name again? Oboko.
Odo.
Chukwu Odo.
Oboko.
Okay. Oboko Odo Oboko. Okay, so I discovered this items stole from him. So now we are not kidnappers. We are not kidnappers. So we hear these informations. That's why we trace all the far from where we are. We trace all the things and meet them inside forest. So, and you discover all the things. See the house. Look at the people that are suffering for this hardship of N0w. We are human beings are sleeping, and these people get this mind to enter this house and pack all the things, siphon the house completely. And here come the Lebia. Tare. Okay, Tare Batareba. Madato. Hanato Jebe. So, Mama here can put an abeg. That's up. Okay, the sign of the sign. Okay. No problem. Yeah, China, Mama. Mama, not trying hoggy. Why, the name of Yaka? I ain't find a mind over that. So, make everybody, the whole world see that we are fighting this freedom. It doesn't mean that we are foolish, because of the intimidation is too much. That's why we must defend our land.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back, and tell me what you think about this video you just watched, and make sure say you share the video as well. So drop your own opinion for inside comment section as it dey hot. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back. We'll never go anywhere. We still there. So share the video and let's talk about this video for inside comment section. Tell us what you think for the video we just watched. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot.